Hey YouTube family, this is Mika Coleman with Tax Deed and Overages, where I teach smart earners how to leverage overlooked opportunities through this amazing real estate investment niche called tax deed overages. And most people, you guys may think that earning more money is working more, but the truth is income grows where you learn how to access the right opportunities. In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 steps that are separating beginners that are in real estate from their first 10 to 50K check. But to get right into this video, I am going to show you a way and give you the opportunity of how you can access funds to get your first 10, 50, $60,000 check. Now, if you're new to this channel, I am talking about excess proceeds, also known as overages. And so I really believe that a lot of times people just don't have the positioning, or they just don't know exactly where to go or how to look for these opportunities. So this video is about showing you the opportunity, and it's basically open in plain sight, you guys. So this is a particular county that I just stumbled across, as this is what I do every day. And I just wanted to kind of show you all the opportunities that are available for those that are beginning in this business. So I'm just going to click this surplus link because I want to start with the largest to the lowest. And I basically, instead of me like rehearsing videos now, I'm like just going to be completely open with like how I research and how I do things, because I really believe in teaching others and empowering you and educating you on the opportunities that are literally open in plain sight, you guys. So for example, this one is the surplus is 191,000. I normally charge a fee of 30 to 40%. You do the math on that, you get 1 or 2, and that is somebody's yearly income. Okay, just to break it down. But I'm going to just walk you through the process of what will separate beginners from the people that are uneducated to get in their first 10 to 50K. First of all, you definitely got to know where to go, and you also need to know if this is a third party friendly county, which it is. So I'm just going to click on this. And then, so the first thing that will separate you from, getting your first check is a waste of time and not having a structure or a system, which I teach in my mastermind. So my first system is seeing, okay, yes, this is available. But my second thing is going down here and see if funds are claimed. See, this separates the beginners, the winners from the losers, because a lot of times people will teach you how to find the list and find the money, but they don't teach you how to not waste your time. So this is me going through the research and seeing if this has already been filed. See, a lot of people talk about the hype and the potential of making money, but nobody really teaches you how to like really make the real money. Okay, so if you're a beginner, keep watching, because I'm going to show you how to not waste time in this business. So let's just click right here. I think this looks like it's already been claimed. So yes, so as you guys can see, this is a claim form that has already been claimed. So if you're new to this, you wouldn't know that. And so a lot of times, I'm just going to take you back to the list. Let's go back. Let's see if it lets me go back. A lot of times people will show you how to get this list, right? But then they don't show you if it's available or not. One of the things that I do provide in my mastermind is access to verified claims that you could actually work. So we're just going to go to the next one. I'm going to be honest with y'all, though. I think like this county might have already been tapped into. So I'm going to go to claims filed, and let's just see. So this one is, so an asset recovery company got this one. This was last year. Let me go to some new ones, y'all. So I'm just walking y'all through the process of what I do every day. So that one's claimed. I normally download these into an Excel spreadsheet, but because I'm doing a video, I'm just, going willy-nilly and showing you guys my process. So I'm going to go down to some lower ones. Let's see. Because a lot of times some people don't go after these low ones. I'm going to do this $24,000 one. For the newbies too. Yep, this one's been claimed too. Yeah. So this is what separates, the beginners and the winners from getting their first check is knowing how to research these claims. Looks like this county is capped. Oh, you know what, you guys? Let me do something else. So, as you guys can tell, that like I just looked up 3 claims and they're already claimed. This is the real life like situation. Just because you find a list or you find something doesn't necessarily mean that it's a winner winner chicken dinner. So, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do these sell dates. So let's look at these are not. This is not worth my time. So they have actually had sales this year, but let's look at this. This is December. This was last year. Because I was showing you guys some that were like a year or two, so that makes sense why they probably were claimed. So let's look at this surplus is 48. Let's see if this is claimed because this was just last year. Yeah, so this one was claimed too. So as you guys noticed, this was like to me like a really good county in the beginning, right? Because I was like, ooh, which most people, I'm gonna go back to this. Most people would be like, if I go here, and they'll catch you on the hype of like, oh, this is a good list. Yeah, let's go, right? Um, what I want you to get from this video is you want somewhere where you have access to know that you're not wasting your time because time is money. But the good thing about this business is that you can actually earn 6 figures without ever leveraging any of the traditional costs in real estate. So this was just a little snippet on showing you how you can leverage uh, open opportunities that are available to you. I just wanted to give you a little insight into my world and how I actually navigate into this excess proceeds. And this is what I do every day. So if you're interested in wanting to know how to do this step by step, with all the details and all the minor intricacies that I really don't always talk about on these videos, click the link in the description. You could either book a call with me or you could sign up for my mastermind where we uncover claims together. Happy investing, everyone.